Presenting a pre-owned 2019 Honda Civic LX. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Honda is a great value with less than 47,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 30 miles per gallon in the city, and 38 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition, has glossy original paint, has no scratches, dents, or rust, and has been fully detailed. It has only had one owner, has never been smoked in, was garage kept, has had all scheduled maintenance completed, and has been inspected by the dealer. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and window defogger.